Ever pondered over how your email manages to filter out all those pesky spam messages, leaving your inbox mostly clutter-free? This marvel is the result of a machine learning process known as supervised learning. It's akin to teaching a computer to make predictions or classify data by showing it examples with known outcomes. In the realm of supervised learning, there are several key components that come into play. Firstly, we have the input data, also known as features. These are the variables or attributes that the model uses to make predictions or classifications. Features can be anything measurable, like the height, weight, and age of individuals in a data set. Secondly, there's the output data, the labels or target. These are the correct answers or target values that correspond to the input data. In tasks of classification, labels might represent categories like spam or not spam for email classification. Then we have the labeled training data, a data set that contains paired examples of input data and their corresponding target labels. This serves as the foundation for the model to learn the relationships between features and labels. The model is the next vital component. It's an algorithm or mathematical function that the machine learning system employs to learn the mapping from input to output. It's the heart of supervised learning. The loss function, or cost function, is a function that quantifies how different the model's predictions are from the actual target values in the training data. The aim during training is to minimize this loss. Lastly, there's the optimization algorithm. This algorithm is in charge of adjusting the model's parameters to minimize the loss function, thereby making the model more accurate. So, how does this all come together? Let's explore an example of supervised learning in action with email spam detection. The first step is data collection. We gather a data set of emails, where each email is labeled as either spam or not spam. Next, we move to data pre-processing. Here, we transform the emails into a format suitable for machine learning. This can involve converting text into numerical representations using techniques like term frequency inverse document frequency. Then comes model selection. Here, we choose a supervised learning algorithm suitable for classification tasks, such as logistic regression, decision trees, or support vector machines. Following this is model training. Here we feed the model the labeled dataset of emails, enabling it to learn patterns in email content associated with spam or non-spam emails. After training, we evaluate the model's performance on a separate dataset that it hasn't seen during training. This ensures that the model can generalize and make accurate predictions on new, unseen emails. Finally, once trained and validated, the model can be deployed to predict whether incoming emails are spam or not. In summary, supervised learning is a dynamic process that involves multiple stages, from collecting and pre-processing data through model selection and training to evaluation and inference. It is a powerful tool in machine learning, enabling us to make accurate predictions and classifications based on labeled datasets.